Hello all. Today I'm going to be doing a quick learning on Google Sheets. This will be for complete beginners who have never used Google Sheets before and are not aware of how spreadsheets work. So first of all, you'll see this is what a spreadsheet will look like, whether it's Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. This is what's called a sheet, and you have different cells in here, different rectangles as the shapes. And they'll be named based on the column and the row that they're in. So you can see this one will be named A1, this will be B1, this will be B2, etc. And in Google Sheets, you would go up here. If you double click that for the name, you can give it a new name. Let's just call it My Spreadsheet. And then also for the sheets, you can also rename the sheets. So if you double click that, you can rename it My Sheet. And if you need to add more sheets, there's a plus sign right here where you just add more sheets. So let's go back to My Sheet. So to enter data, you just click on a cell, start typing, and then if you want to fill data down, you just select it, and you see this lower right hand, there is a little square, and you'll see as I hover over it, you get this cross sign. If you grab it and then drag down, you can see that Google Sheets understands that you want increasing numbers, and when I fill down, it will follow that pattern. So another thing you may want to do in a spreadsheet is do calculations. To do calculations, first you have to enter a cell and press equal so that Google Sheets knows that you're trying to enter a formula. And then you can do calculations either just on numbers you enter, like 2 times 2 would give you 4, but usually more often than not you want to use cells of data already there. So in this case, let's delete this, and if you select a cell, it will put in the reference there. So in this case it's A1, and let's say I want to add the cell right below it. I just select that, and I have A1 plus A2, which is going to be 1 plus 2 gives me 3. So you can do addition, you can do subtraction, you can do multiplication, etc. And then also, let's say I want to fill that equation down. Again, you can see the little square in the lower right hand corner. Go ahead and hover over that, then click and drag down, and you'll see what I have is it will start doing the formula down. So as I go down the table, it's going to change the cells that it's using for the formula. And eventually it's going to get to here where it's going 14 times 0 gives me 0. So another thing that sometimes first-time users don't realize with Google Sheets is they'll get to the end of the spreadsheet and they don't know how to add more rows. Down at the bottom there's this little text box that says how many rows you want to add, and then if you just click the add button, it will add the number of rows that you specified. So that's a quick little introduction to Google Sheets. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.